how to log in to BBI University. So if you want to log into BBI University, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for BBI University login. Once you've searched, you're on the first search, you will have bbiuniversity.com. Click on that. And once you click on that, it will take you to the login page. So here on the right side, you will have the login page. So BBI simply means Blooming Brands Incorporation University. So if you were to log into that university, then here you will have your login on the right side. First, you need to enter your username on the first blank. And then you need to enter your password on the next blank. So enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password, which is on the right side of your screen. But if you remember your password, then you can simply enter your password. And once you click on login, it will log you into your account if your information is correct. And if you want to save your information, then you can go for keep me logged in. You can click on that so that it will save your information. But if you don't want to save it, then unclick it and click on login. And after that, you will be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.